I just woke up and ate, and then that's all. I just woke up. I'm about to go home though. Yeah. So right now we came to Didi's discount, and I'm buying a shower head. Look at the reflection. Yeah, because I need it. What are you gonna buy?
Nothing.
None. All right.
I didn't see anything.
So I just got home and I brought Kobe outside so he can use the restroom. Oh, buddy, so cute. All right, Miguel and Israel pulled up right now, and Miguel pulled up with these homies real quick. These vintage, these niggas are sick. I like this one. We are all immigrants. This guy's planchando. That's dope. Alright, me and Israel are Alright, me and Israel are changing my shower head real quick because there was this old nasty one right here.
Johnny on the spot.
And then I'm putting this like way better one up. And Israel said he got it. He's OSHA 30, OSHA 10. Nigga, chill. What you doing?
I hit that shit, bro. I'm playing now.
Alright. Anyways, we're about to put this bitch. See what's up. Where you work, Israel? Westcorp. Carpenter?
Westcorp Carpenter.
You build houses, huh?
Yeah, I frame houses.
Let them know.
I don't build houses.
Alright, so now we're gonna see the final product. That looks pretty good. There's a little leak. But that's fine. Nah, I can shower my own shower now. So we're pulling up to Dutch again with Aaron, Yolanda, and the one and only, the newcomer, weighing in at 145 pounds.
Nah, hey, chill.
Pecker Perez.
Hey, chill. 145? You pushing it.
So we just got to Dutch Bros, and I'm still kind of like tired, not tired, but traumatized of how much energy that shit gives you. So I had to pull up on the water today, but next time I'm gonna get it. Plus I have a free drink, so yeah. As you guys can see, everyone left. Just Yolanda.
I'm the only one left always.
But I'm about to take her home because I've been with her for too many. I'm just like. So I just dropped her off. I picked up some chicken nuggets from McDonald's because I was kind of hungry. And now I'm headed home. So I came back and this food's asleep. The hot Cheetos right there. But yeah, I'm about to munch on my McDonald's and call it a night. So this is the ending of the vlog.